What is going on, guys? It is Glyn here. I'm super excited. Thursday, 10 a.m. EST, a brand new product is launched to the marketplace. This one's called Traffic Shark and it comes from my team and I. It's proven to work. It's going to get you the traffic, the leads, the sales, and the commissions that you need to crush in 2022. And because this is my product, I've obviously put together the biggest and best bonus package you're ever going to see for this product. And there's some deadlines which you need to act on to get certain bonuses by certain times. And before we get into the bonuses, let's quickly look at the headline. In the next 60 seconds, 3-step traffic system makes us $279 per day. Now, I've been using this system pretty much from day one. So I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 7 years now. And this exact same system I've been following every single day. I've been making a lot of money, all right, guys? So if you want to do exactly the same as me, you pretty much want to stack cash for fun. You want to get Traffic Shark. We'll talk about the software as well in just a second or two, but let's quickly look at the bonuses you're going to get when you get this brand new traffic product. So if you come through by 2 p.m., the deadline is 2 p.m. on Thursday, you're going to be invited to a special 7-day bootcamp with myself, Glyn. I'm the creator of this software, and if you know me, I've been around a long time. I have sold millions of dollars worth of products, services on the internet, and you're gonna have 7 full days to work alongside me, and you can clone effectively what I do for 7 full days, all right? In addition to that, your sites, your campaigns you're gonna create with Traffic Shark, I will effectively ensure that they get sales. I've got a secret system, and for you guys, if you come through by 2 p.m., I'm gonna make sure your ones actually get sales and make money, all right? 5 people will also win an iPhone 13 Pro. So 5 people win an iPhone 13 Pro, and 5 people are gonna win $250 of good old Bitcoin. So if you want some free Bitcoin, this is your chance, all right? But you must come through by 2 p.m. Now, if you miss the 2 p.m. deadline, you've always got this deadline, which is 8 p.m., all right, 8 p.m. And these ones are actually amazing in themselves, all right? I'm giving away $400 worth of Bitcoin to 10 people. So if you miss the first deadline, you've always got this one. I've got even more Bitcoin to be given away to 10 people. I'm going to give you commission loophole and auto profit links of all of the OTOs, all of the upgrades. They're 2 softwares that I previously launched in the past. You're going to get them 100% for free. I'm also going to send 350 clicks to any link of your choice. So it could be one of the links or one of these sites and campaigns you create with Traffic Shark. I will send traffic to them. Or it could be something else that you've got on the internet. Tell me what it is and I'll send those clicks. I'll also funnel 350 buyer leads into your autoresponder. And maybe you're thinking, why do I need buyer leads? Well, when you've got buyer leads in your Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane, whatever it is, these autoresponders, you can effectively press send and buyers will buy products and services from you over and over and over again like clockwork, all right, guys? So if you want buyer leads in your autoresponder, this is going to be for you. I've got some more contests and competitions here. So we're going to start with the iMac 24-inch. We've got 2 to give away. PlayStation 5, 2 to give away. And $250 worth of cash through PayPal to 10 people. Yes, 10 of you guys are going to get that cash in PayPal, right? I've got my 2022, that should say 2022, Traffic and Sales Guide, what's working in affiliate marketing right now. Well, not everything, guys, because, you know, certain things changed over the past sort of few months, past year or two. You're going to get what is cooking in my business right now, and that's in my guide. I will personally set up your account of this software for you. So if you come through and say, Glyn, look, I don't exactly understand what to do, I will do it for you if you want me to, all right? You're going to get access to my secret multi-million-dollar business system. It's secret for a reason. I make $1 million with it every year. I don't want everyone to do it. You know how this stuff works, guys. I will give you access to that, all right? You're going to be added to my monthly coaching group. You're going to get live chat support from me, agency license for all softwares that we provide, private suite of 6 additional traffic apps, extra specials nobody else is going to offer you. I'm going to give you Neo commissions with all the upgrades of all the OTOs. It's another app that myself and my team created recently in the past year. We're going to give you that for free. Unlimited free traffic siphon from this launch, which is launched on Thursday. So I'll put your Facebook, your Google, your Bing ads pixel on this sales page, and you'll be able, your audience will build, right, like this, in those ad platforms, and you'll be able to drive ads to the audience if you want to. You don't have to, if you want to, all right? I would advise that you should, all right? Back-end bonus spot as well in the members area. I put your banner inside the members area, and people click on it. They go through to your bonus page, your opt-in page, your sales page. And guys, not many people give me their back-end bonus spot. If you want to basically take my leads for free, this is your opportunity. I'm trying to help build you and your business up, all right? You're going to be entered into a competition through my launch, which goes live at the end of February. Live private workshop replay. The audience goes nuts over my workshops. I don't host them that often. I don't email replays. I just do them live. You're going to get my replay of my latest workshop for free. VIP support directly from me, Glyn, to launch your first product on. VIP support directly from me, Glyn, to help you with this software. 1 hour's free coaching as well. Ask me anything on the phone. 3 entries into all the competitions I've already said on this page. Click find and share funnel, my highest converting bonus page funnel, including this one. I use bonus pages like this because they convert more people into sales and commissions in my back pocket. You can do the same. And you are going to get all of these awesome products as well. So guys, this is by 8 p.m. If you miss out on that, you've got these ones till midnight, all right? So this is by 2, these are by 8, and if you miss out on those, you come through a little bit later, you're always going to get these ones. So you've got the regular vendor bonuses. I'm Glyn, I'm the creator of this software. I'm putting some really cool stuff in the members area. License rights to all these products as well, and you'll see that all my latest products. That means 100% commissions to all these amazing products if you were to promote them. Why not, guys? Guaranteed approval for all of my offers, past, future, and present. All my previous information products. You're going to get all of these products and these softwares of all the OTOs, all the upgrades. You may have missed them before. Your opportunity to scoop them up for free. 0. My underground traffic source, which is perfect for 2021 and of course 2022. I use this traffic source to make $1,000 a day. Why don't you do the same, guys? My 30K case study, which details how I went from $0 to $30,000 doing a product launch. If you want to launch products like I do every month, that is going to be for you. 30 days, you'll have a product launch. The funnel, the product, the sales pages, the upgrade pages, the videos, everything you can do in 30 days, and you can make $30,000 if you follow what I teach in that guide. Traffic shortcut Rolodex, which is the rest of the traffic source I'm using in my business to make a lot of money. And we've got a competition to win 1 year's free coaching directly from myself, Glyn, to launch your first products online. Hopefully we'll be able to do it in person. If not, I will do it online or whatever. But you'll have a whole year with me. We'll meet up a couple of times a week. You will learn how to be a product launcher, a product vendor, an affiliate, a super affiliate. You'll be able to crush it online like a true badass, like I do, and all these other guys all the time. But that'll be for you if you want to work alongside me for a whole year. So total value price, as you know by now, guys, I bring the heat, I bring the sauce. This is for Traffic Source, a brand new first to market app and system for 2022. In the next 60 seconds, 3-step free traffic system makes us $279 per day. Now I've said $279 because, you know, I don't want to say thousands of dollars because I know that I can't really relate to everybody by saying that. People see thousands of dollars and they think, bullshit, basically, right? You're not making thousands of dollars. But if you know me by now, guys, you know I've built up my business and I'm now making a lot of money. And with this system, this has enabled me to make thousands of dollars. It works even if you've got zero experience and zero technical skills. It's brand new for 2022. It taps into millions and millions of buyers. This is some of the pre-testing we put this system through to make sure it works. And we used a lot of newbie affiliate marketers, a lot of newbies that are interested in making money. You know, the first week we made a few bucks, then a few days later we made a few more bucks. Then after 30 days, $18,000, and our free traffic was like this. It started in September, obviously not of loads, but then it went up, bang, 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 and we've had a lot of free traffic and made a lot of money with this system. Guys, I don't really want to bore you, but you pretty much pick up your copy, you flip the free traffic switch and watch floods of traffic activate to your done for you magic profit links. Now, what are these magic profit links, you may be asking, all right, guys? These magic profit links, right? These magic profit links are essentially products and funnels and systems that we and you are going to be giving away for free. Yes, you're going to be giving away for free with our software, right? And when you use the free traffic to funnel these people to these pages that we create for you, right? When people take these products for free, they then go and buy upgrades and OTOs like you probably do, right, all the time, and I do it myself. And you're going to make a kickback. You're going to earn a commission. So essentially, it's a traffic system that funnels traffic to these magic profit pages. You're giving away a product or something for free to these people, right? When people take that product for free, they check out with no credit card, they take it for free. They then go and buy upgrades from you through the funnels, and you make money through affiliate commissions. It's a really unique system. It's a one-off. Not many people are doing this, but I've personally been doing this for 7 years now. Every day, every week, I give away products, I give away freebies, I give away this, I give away that. Because people, when they take something for free, it's like the bait, right? You give them bait, and what do? They end up buying stuff from you over and over and over again. I know people say all this stuff, yeah. This is a true system that works for me. And we've got traffic built into it. We're basically funneling. You're basically accessing a pool of 800 buyers that you can basically make money from, right? 800 million buyers. We've got beta testers, newbies making money with this system over and over again. So if you want traffic, you want sales, you want commissions, you like it done, you effectively like it done for you, all right? Done for you. This is your unique opportunity, all right, guys? Now, I don't know if there's anything else I need to highlight on this page, but you know, we've pretty much given you what works. And if you don't want the traffic to the magic profit pages that Traffic Shark creates for you, you can send the traffic anywhere that you want on the internet, all right, guys? I don't want to waste any more of your time. This is the app. I can't show you the ins and outs of it this second because, you know, I want to reserve it for my private clients, my private people, my students, my people that come through the doors on Thursday morning. Because if I showed you what's going to happen, it's possible that you're going to try it out yourself. And when you try it yourself without getting my guidance, you're going to get it all wrong, right? So grab this at 10 a.m. when it goes live on Thursday. By 2 p.m. you get the 7-day boot camp. I will ensure you make money with this. Fact, guaranteed, 100% certified, guaranteed on that, all right, guys? You might win an iPhone 13 Pro. You might win some Bitcoin. If you come through by 8, you're definitely going to win some Bitcoin. You get these products for free. Free clicks, free leads, iMac possibly, PlayStation 5, $250 through PayPal, and a lot more, guys. You know by now, I bring the heat, I bring the sauce, I bring you everything that you need. And because this is my product launch, I want to ensure that you succeed with this software. So guys, do this right now. Hit one of the buttons on this page to grab this. And remember, never give up. Look at this. The harder the struggle, the more glorious the triumph. Right? And it's true, guys. You sometimes need to go through some BS. You need to go through some hard work, try out all kinds of different products to get to the gold, get to the juice, get to the something that works. Now, I've spent over $100,000 on my online education. That's a lot of money, right? A lot of people would never spend $100,000 in their whole life, right? I've spent that just learning so I can stand here and present to you and try and help you guys, all right? So buy products, try them out, execute what is tool, and you will make money. If you're one of these guys that buys products and don't even use them and don't try them, and there's a lot of you that do that because I get emails from people and I say, have you tried it? And it's like, no. What do you expect to happen? Money doesn't grow on trees, guys, all right? So buy this, try it. It's my product, and it's my products of the year so far. And I'm gonna make a prediction. When we get to the end of 2022, I got a feeling that I could be saying that Traffic Shark is the products of the year at the end of December. So grab this, 10 a.m. You know the drill by now. I'll give you the bonus package sent directly upon purchase. Have a great day, have a great week, and I will speak to you real soon. Thanks a lot, guys.